Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to day 3 of our 30-day SketchUp course. Before we start, if you are serious about learning SketchUp, then please like this video, subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next class. Also, if this help you, please share it with your friends or classmates, especially civil architecture or interior students. Let's grow together. Today, we will learn how to create simple 3D object like box, cylinder, and sphere using easy tools. These are basic shapes but very important in real projects. Let's start. So first we select the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle on the ground. Now select push-pull tool. Click the rectangle, face moves up, then click again. Now you are made a 3D box. You can type the height like 10 feet and press enter. This is how we make walls, tables or platform. 5 feet, enter. Okay. So the next part is create a cylinder. First of all, we select the circle tool. Click and draw a circle on the ground. Then select push-pull tool. Pull the circle upward. And now you have a cylinder. This shape is used for pillars, pipes, legs of furniture and more. You can also type exact height like 6 feet. Now next tool is create a sphere. Draw a circle on ground. Then draw a single line. Now draw a half circle with 2-point tool. Then select full circle and choose follow me tool. It will now spin that shapes around the circle path and you will get a sphere. This is used for ball shapes, lights, decor items, etc. Today we create shapes using basic tools. Box, rectangle plus push pull, cylinder plus push pull, sphere, circle plus follow me tool. I have also prepared day 3 notes for you. If you want them, just comment. Send me day 3 notes and I will share the link. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. In day 4, we will learn how to use groups and components. Very important for real interior and architecture project. Assalamu alaikum.